In the beginning, actually, I given purpose of creating triggers.
Yeah.
One purpose is controlling the DMLs, enforcing complex rules. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next, triggers are also created to manage the replicas.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like suppose, for example, suppose you have some replica. For example, there is a table customer S, ID, name, address. Okay. Then, so this is actual table, the original table, but you maintained a replica, customer R.
Correct.
Then, so this also having same structure.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I insert a new row into this table, okay, if I insert a new row into this table,
Okay.
then the row should be inserted into replica automatically. Okay.
Yeah.
User will insert the row into this table.
Okay.
User or your application will insert the data into customer S table, but background, the same row should be inserted into replica.
Yes.
Okay. Then suppose you update, for example, you update. If I update, it should be updated in replica also.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay. It should be updated in replica. Then suppose I delete from source.
Mm-hmm.
If I delete from source, it should be deleted from replica also.
Yes.
So that means whatever actions you perform on source table,
Mm-hmm.
the same action should be performed on replica.
Okay.
Okay. Then, so create trigger for this. Okay. Then,
Yes.
now, so like create the trigger to manage replica. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what this is, create trigger managing replica means create trigger to apply changes made to customer S2, customer T.
Okay.
Okay. Then first create tables. Create table customer S. Okay. Then so create table customer S, customer ID number 2, customer name varchar. Suppose address varchar 2 of 10. So this is source table. Okay. Then this is source table.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then like create table is created. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, so this is the what create source table. Then next, what I'm doing is I'm creating what replica. Creating replica. But actually, in real time, replica will be there in some other database also. Okay.
Okay.
So maybe some other schema. In my
Okay.
example, what I'm doing is both source and replica, they're in same schema, same
Yes.
user,
Yes.
but maybe it may be there in different schema, maybe they're
Correct.
in different user, or maybe
Yes.
they're in different database also.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Then,
Yeah.
so now I'm creating replica. Actually, so there will be one database that is called OLTP database.
Yes.
Okay. Then there is another database called OLAP database. So one database is used for day-to-day operations. One is for analysis.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
like suppose a customer table is there in OLTP.
Okay.
The same customer table will be there in OLAP also.
Okay.
Okay. Then, but here this customer is used for so OLTP customer is used for day-to-day operations.
Okay.
Then, but OLAP customer table, this is used for reporting purpose, analysis, reporting.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, so one is used for day-to-day operations and another is
Correct.
used for analysis. Okay. Now.
Yeah.
Next. Then, now how to create the replica? I want to create the replica. Then you have to create table customer or I don't need to type this because I create like this as select start from customer S.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is this is creating a new table from existing table.
Okay.
A new table is
Correct.
created called customer R. It is created from customer S.
Okay.
What
Okay.
is copied to the customer R is complete structure. Customer S table structure is copied to customer R.
Oh, okay.
Already we have the structure now. So
Correct.
instead of
Yes.
again typing customer ID,
Same
number
thing.
2, name, varchar, simply you can copy.
Correct.
Okay, then. So like see this table is created. Okay, now
Yes.
both the table structures are same. See customer S, customer R, customer R.
Yeah.
So both the table structures are same. Okay, then.
Yeah.
So this is we create source table and how the replicas are created like this. Okay, now that.
Yeah.
Now, okay. Next, create trigger. Create trigger.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So create trigger. Why we create trigger? So because to apply the changes, whatever the changes you made to customer S, you want to apply
Yeah.
the changes to customer R.
Okay.
Okay. Then create trigger.
Okay.
So create trigger, trigger name. Create or replace trigger, trigger name. The last one is I think some T5, let's say T6. Okay, then
Yeah.
so T6, T6 next. Then now the trigger is before or after?
Trigger is before, right?
Okay. See what is the aim of this trigger is applying the changes to replica.
So first we
Whatever
have
the
to do
changes are made
changes
to the
and then
source table.
apply. Yeah, after.
After, yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, then. So after inserting, after updating, after deleting, apply the changes to replica.
Yeah.
Now, then, so the trigger is after.
Yeah.
After insert or update or delete because you want to apply all the changes
Yeah.
on table name. Sorry, which table?
You.
Okay. After inserting, after updating, after deleting into which table? See, the aim of this trigger is applying the changes. But when
Yes.
you want to apply the changes, after inserting, after updating, after deleting from customer S table.
Customer is okay.
Okay. Then, so on customer S. Next for each row. Okay. Next one. Begin. So after inserting into customer S, after updating customer S, after deleting from customer S, this trigger is executed.
Okay, yes.
Then,
Right.
but inside the trigger, so what we need to do is perform the same action on replica. Whatever action is performed on source table, perform the same action on replica.
Okay.
But inside the trigger, how you know action is insert, update, or delete? So what action is performed on source table? How you know?
Okay.
Because the trigger executes in all the three cases.
Correct. If there
So it
is
is in-
any
Huh?
changes, if there is any changes, then it is inserted or updated. But how to know?
Like how do we know? So what action is performed by user? So user is inserted or updated or deleted. So how we know this? Okay.
Yeah.
Then, so Oracle is given some variables,
Okay.
predefined variables, and that Boolean variables. One variable
Okay.
is inserting.
Okay.
One variable is inserting. So
Yeah.
this returns true if operation is insert.
Correct.
If
Okay.
you insert the record into customer S table, this
It
inserting
gives.
returns true.
Yeah.
Okay. Then next, if operation is what? Update, this returns true.
Yeah.
If operation is delete, then this returns true. So
Okay.
Oracle is given three variables. Okay.
Okay. Got
So
it.
this is to know how what action is performed. Okay.
Correct. Yes.
Now see, if inserting, then if inserting, okay, na? Then so if inserting,
Yeah.
okay, then if inserting. So what is the meaning? This condition will be true. This condition will be true if operation is insert.
Correct.
Okay, this condition will
Yeah.
be true if operation is insert. If operation is insert, then what action you have to perform on replica?
Insert.
Insert, same action. Okay, so suppose this is your action. User is inserting customer S values 100, name is A, some address.
Yeah.
Some address. Okay, then
Mm.
so whatever action is performed on source table, I want to perform the same action on target table.
Okay.
Okay, then
Yeah.
now if inserting, then what? So insert into customer R values. Okay,
Yeah.
so user inserting the row into source table, trigger is inserting the row into replica.
Correct. Correct.
So how to access this value 100? Okay, because you know that.
Let's
So
start.
this row is copied to colon new variable.
Yes. Correct.
So get it from colon new new dot cid colon new dot name colon new dot address. Okay.
Okay.
Then so insert into customer R values. So when this condition will be true, user is inserted the row into source table. So when we are inserting the same row into replica. Okay.
Yeah.
Then next, else if updating. Then else if updating. Else if updating. Then
Update.
Updating. So the same action on target table also, on replica also update.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But usually what is updated in source table? Only address, phone numbers, only these fields are updated, but IDs are not updated, names are not updated, only address is updated. Okay.
Yeah.
Then, so in target also update the address. What? Update customer R set
Set.
address equals to colon new dot address.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood. Then
Yes, yes.
see, this is the update command. User
Correct.
updating source table
Yes,
address to something BLR where customer ID equals to 10 something.
correct.
Okay. Then
Yes.
she's updating the customer address. So these values are copied to colon new. Okay. Then
Yeah.
so in replica also I'm updating the address. Address updated with the same address. Whatever the address is given here, see it is
Yes.
updated with the same address. So which
Correct.
customer? Same. Where customer
Correct.
ID equal to this customer.
Yes.
Customer ID equal to this customer. How to access this
Yes.
ID? Same thing.
New.
Colon new or colon old. Anything is
Okay.
okay. Okay. Then
Yes.
next else. Not inserting, not updating means delete.
Delete.
So delete. Delete from customer or from
Where
delete from customer or
CLD.
where customer ID equals to,
New.
suppose here this is your command, delete from customer S where customer ID equals to 10. So is deleting
Yes.
the row from source table. The same row should be deleted from replica. But
Correct.
I want this ID. Where these IDs are copied to? This ID is copied to colon old.
Yes.
The record you are inserting is copied to colon new. The record you are trying to delete is copied to colon old. The record you are
Yes.
updating is copied to both colon old and colon new.
Yeah.
Okay. Then so delete from customer where ID equals to colon new dot or colon old dot CID.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next one and that's all. Then end if.
Yes, sir.
And that's all. So create this trigger.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So create this trigger. So trigger is created. Okay. Then after creating the trigger, check test. How to test insert? Insert into customer S values. Customer ID is 10. Name is a some address. Okay. Then so when you submit this command, what happens? What is the first step? The first thing what happens is this row is copied to colon new.
Call. Yeah.
Okay. Then
Yes.
that is the first step. Second step. Okay. Second step.
Execute.
So this insert is executed. First, this is copied to colon new. Next one, insert is executed. Next,
Correct.
trigger is executed.
Yes.
Because we said after na.
Yes.
So then first this row is copied to colon new and execute the insert, execute the trigger. But
Yeah.
in trigger, so what we are if inserting, is this condition true? Yes. Because what is the action that user is performing is insert.
Insert.
So
Yes.
this will be true. This condition is true.
Yes.
When
Yes.
this condition is true, then this is executed.
Correct.
Okay. Next one.
Yeah.
Then now see this. One row created. See
Yeah.
the target. Select start from. First see the source table. The row inserted into source table and automatically this row is inserted into replica also.
Correct.
I not inserted into replica. Automatically it is inserted.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah. Next one.
Update.
Suppose I update source customer is set address equals to BLR where
Yeah.
customer ID equals to 10.
Yes.
Update customer S set address equal to BLR where ID equals to 10. Okay. Then
Yes.
so when you execute this command, first thing, this row is copied to colon old and colon new.
Correct.
Old values are copied to colon old. New values are copied to colon new.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Then next after copying this, update is
Mhm.
executed.
Yes.
Update command is executed. Next, trigger is executed.
Yeah.
Next, it checks whether this condition true. No, condition false. Is this condition true? Yes. Then, so
Yes.
what is executed? Update is
Update.
executed. So address is updated with new address. What is the new address? BLR.
Bangalore. BLR.
Okay. Where customer ID equal to new customer ID. What is the new customer ID? 10.
Yes.
Now you see this. One row updated. Okay.
Yes.
Now see the source table. Select start
Mhm.
from customer S. See it is updated in source table. And see the target
Correct.
table. Select start from customer R.
Yeah.
Now in target also it is updated. Okay. Now
Correct. Correct.
delete from customer S where customer ID equals to 10.
Mhm.
Okay. So this row is
Yeah.
deleted from source table. Okay. When
Then
you
this
submit
time.
this
Yeah.
command, first this row is copied to colon old. Next. And
Yes.
execute the delete. Next, execute the trigger. In trigger, is this condition true? No. Is this condition
No.
true? No. Then
No.
go to else, executes delete. So
Yes.
delete from customer where customer ID equal to colon old.cid. What is colon old.cid is 10.
Yeah.
So the record is deleted from replica also, the same rows. See the table.
Yeah.
Select start from customer R. Okay. Then customer
Yeah.
S. The row is deleted. And see the
Noted.
target table also, customer R. Okay. No row selected.
Yes.
That's all.
Okay. Got it.
Whatever action you are performing, the same action
Mhm.
you are performing on target.
Okay.
So testing. Like what? First, you submit this insert. When you submit the insert, the first thing what happens is the row is copied to
Neuro.
colon new. This is the
Colon.
first step. Okay.
Yeah.
Then so
Yeah.
first step. Next one. Second, executes what?
Come.
Insert.
Insert command.
Next
Yeah.
one. Executes trigger.
Yes.
That because this is after. So that's why trigger is executed after the DML. Next, update, same thing. First, the row is copied to both colon old and colon new. Second one, executes what? Executes update. Third one, executes what? Trigger. That's it. Next, delete. Delete. Then one, the row is copied to colon old. Second one, executes delete. Third one, executes trigger. That's it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Just a minute. Just 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next. And another one, triggers are also created for auditing. Okay. Na? Plus, and how
Okay.
many triggers we can create? Okay. How many triggers we can create on table?
Okay. 3.
So maximum how many? 12 triggers.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Like one is like there are two, before and after.
Okay.
First one. Okay. Next one. Insert, update, next
Delete.
delete. Next one. Statement level. Next one,
Yeah.
row level.
Row level. Okay.
Statement level and row level. Okay. Then you
Mhm.
see this. Before insert statement level. 1. Okay, no? Before
Mhm.
insert statement. Before update statement. Before delete statement. 3.
Okay. 3. Yeah.
Okay. Next, before insert row level.
Row
Before
level.
update row level. Before delete row level. 3.
6.
Total 6 before.
Yeah.
Same thing after. After
Okay. 6
insert
plus 6.
statement, after update statement, after delete statement, 3. That means 6 plus 3, 9. After insert row level, after update row level, after delete row level.
Correct.
So total 12 triggers.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
But what is the order of execution? Suppose order of execution of triggers. That means which trigger is executed first, which is executed next.
Okay.
If you take update, you take only update. How many triggers
Yeah.
we create?
6.
If you take only update, how many triggers we create?
Before, after.
Before update statement,
Okay.
before update pro level.
Yes.
2.
4 we can do.
Yes.
After
After
update.
update statement, after update pro level.
Correct.
So total 4.
Yeah.
Okay. But what is the execution order? Which is executed first, which is executed next? Suppose assume that you created 4 triggers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Before update statement, before update row, after update statement, after update row, you created 4 triggers. But which is
Correct.
executed first? What is the
Before
order of
we'll
execution?
execute. Before we'll execute first, right?
Yes.
Sir?
Yes.
Before.
In before we have to again statement and row. So which is
First
executed
statement
first?
will execute.
Yes. Before statement. Next, before
Before
row.
row.
Next,
After
after
state.
row. Next, after
Oh,
statement.
okay. The other way.
Okay.
Got it.
Before statement, before row, after statement. So total, how many triggers we create?
4.
12 triggers. Okay. Then. But what the order of execution means? This is the order. So first it executes before statement, next before row, next after row,
Then
after
after row.
statement. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Next. And triggers are also created for auditing.
Yeah.
Okay. Then. So, like what is auditing is? Auditing means, okay, monitoring the day-to-day activities.
Yeah.
The day-to-day, like monitoring day-to-day activities on tables.
Okay.
So auditing means monitoring day-to-day activities on tables.
Yes.
Okay, then. So, like monitoring day-to-day activities means what are the day-to-day activities? 3, insert, update, delete.
Correct.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
So we'll be doing this mainly DBA.
Okay.
The DBA creates some tables called audit tables. Okay,
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
so that use it for auditing. Okay, now then. So he creates some tables called audit tables. So that
Okay.
stores only audit information.
Okay.
Then, so suppose, for example, I want to monitor the activities on a table. Suppose one table is there. For example, just now we created a table called customer S table.
Okay.
This is customer S table.
Yeah.
I want to monitor the activities on customer S table. Okay.
Okay.
Then, so what I create a table, audit table, customer S audit. Okay. So in this one field is username, one field is operation, one field is operation time, one field is new CID, one field is new name, one field is new address, one field is old ID, one field is
Okay.
old name, one field is old address. Okay.
Yeah. Correct.
So this is one table. This table is audit table. So in this table, I want to store the details about, so which user is performed the operation, what operation he has performed, insert of data, delete, at what time.
Yeah.
So if it is insert, what is the new record he inserted? If it is delete,
Yeah.
what is the record he deleted? If it is
Yeah.
update, what field is updated? So what is the new value, what is the old value? Okay.
Correct.
If it is an insert, what row is inserted? If it is delete, what row is deleted? If it is update, so what field is updated? That's all.
Yeah.
Okay. Then.
Yeah.
So then again, see, create table, what? Create table, customer S audit. One field is username, varchar 210. One field
Okay.
is operation, varchar 210. Operation time. In this, I want to store date and time.
Okay.
Okay. Then I want to store date and time. You can take date data type also. Date data type also stores date and time. Otherwise, you can take timestamp. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. New CID. New CID. Number 2. New name. Varchar. Varchar 210. And new address. Varchar 210.
Yeah.
And same thing, old. Okay. Then, so here it is old. Old CID. Next, old name. Next, old address.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's see. The table is invalid data type. Okay, 1 second.
Okay.
Actually, that's all. So table is created. Okay. Then
Okay.
next, after creating the table, now create trigger. Create trigger name. So trigger name is create or replace. Trigger name. So T7. After insert, update, delete. Because I want to insert the details into EMP audit after inserting, after updating, after deleting. Okay. So on which table? Customer S table. After inserting into customer S, after updating customer S, after deleting customer S. Okay. Then, so for each row, next one, begin. And same thing. See, here I want to take a variable. I want to declare a variable. So if you want to declare a variable, then declare. So declare OP varchar 210. So this is variable. I'm taking a variable name as OP. And
Okay.
this variables are there, declaration part is there. If no variables, no declaration part.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Yes, yes.
So if the variables are there, declaration part will be there. If no variables, no declaration part. Then, so if inserting, then
Mhm.
OP equals to insert. Next one. Else if updating, then OP equals to update.
Yes.
Next one. Else if deleting, then OP equals to delete. Next. Otherwise, you can say else also here. Else. If not inserting, not updating means obviously delete.
Okay.
Then end if. Now, what is the actual purpose of creating trigger? So, whenever user insert update the records into want to insert the details into this table, which user,
Okay.
what operation, at what time he inserted, what is the
Yeah.
record he inserted, like I want to insert the details. Then
Yeah.
now insert into customer S audit values. Okay.
Yeah.
But the first column is username. How you get the name of the user? See this one, select user from DL.
Yeah.
So this returns current username.
Correct.
Okay. Then, so user. What is the next one? Operation. Operation is OP. So it is assigned to this variable OP. Operation time, that is sysdate. Next one. Username, operation time plus the new. Okay. Then, so this one. Now that new, if it is an insert, so what is the customer ID? What is the customer name? What is the customer address? Okay. Then, so then new dot CID, new dot name. Okay. New dot address. Then that is copied to this variables now.
Yeah.
New dot address. Next colon old dot CID old dot name old dot address. Next what? End. Then. Then. So then let me create this.
Okay.
So let me create this. So it is saying trigger is created with compilation errors. Okay. So trigger created with what? Compilation errors.
Correct.
Now see the errors. How to see the errors? Say show errors. So just only syntax errors. There is an error at line 8, line 10. Then else if ELSIF updating, then OP. Inserting, then else. Sorry. Else you cannot say deleting. Else, when you write else, you cannot write condition. No?
Okay.
You can,
Yeah.
then you have to say else. Then next. So create this. So now trigger is created. Okay. Then next test it. How to test? Insert a row into customer S table. Insert into customer S values. ID 10. Name is A. address is HYD. Okay. When you submit this command, what happens? Okay. Na? So when you submit this command, then first thing what happens is this row is copied to colon new. Okay. This is copied to colon new. Then next execute this insert. Next execute the trigger because trigger is after. Okay. First this row is copied to colon new. Second one, execute the insert command. Next one, execute the trigger. Trigger is executed. So inside the trigger, so you return if inserting. Is this condition true? Yes. So what is assigned to OP? Insert. After executing this line, then it comes to end if and execute this insert. Insert into customer S audit values. What is the username? So current username OP. What is assigned to OP? Insert. This is date and time. What is the new CID? 10. What is the new name? A. What is the new address? HYD. What is old CID? Null. Because insert copy the data to colon new variable, but it will not copy the data to colon old. Okay. Insert command will copy the row to colon new variable. It will not copy this to colon old. What is colon old dot CID? Null. Old dot name? Null. Old dot address? Null. Now one row created. Now see the what select star from customer select star from customer S audit. See the audit table. So username is Vijay, operation is insert. This is date and time. So it is showing date, time, and also timestamp. Okay, then so this is called timestamp. Date, time, milliseconds. Next one, new ID 10, new name A, new address HYD. Old ID, null. Old name, null. Old address, null. Okay, that. Next. Then, so suppose, for example, then, now see this, select star from customer S. Select star from customer S. I'll change this address. Update customer S set address equals to something, BLR, where customer ID equals to 10. One row updated. So it is updated in source table. Select star from customer S. It is updated. And the details are inserted into the details. And the details are inserted into EMP audit. Just go and see the EMP audit. Select star from EMP underscore audit. Then you see this. Sorry. Select star from customer S audit. You see the table. See, what is the username? Vijay. Operation is update. This is date and time. What is the new one? 10A BLR. And what is the old one? 10A HYD. Because when in case of update, the data is copied to both colon old and colon new. What is copied to colon old? New. What is copied to colon old? Old. What is copied to colon new? New. New address. New address is copied to colon new. Old address is copied to colon old. Okay.
Yeah.
Then next. Suppose you delete. For example, delete from what? Customer S. Okay. Then
Yeah.
customer S, where customer ID equals to 10. So row deleted. Now see the table. Select star from customer S audit. Audit. Then. So username is Vijay. Operation is delete. This is date and time. 10A BL. So what the new customer ID? Null. New customer name? Null. New address? Null. What the old customer? 10. Old name is A. Old address is BLR. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay, na?
Yeah.
What this is called? This is called auditing. So just storing the details. What details? Which user is performed? What operation is performed? At what time he performed? What is the row
Yeah.
inserted? What is the row updated? What is the row deleted?
Yeah.
If something goes wrong, then DBA can go to this table, he can find out. If any user
Yes.
delete the data, or maybe accidentally or intentionally, if he deletes, he can go to this table, he can find out. So at what time he deleted, what is the row he deleted. Okay, then. So that's it. So this is about triggers.
Yeah.
And you can
Got
get
it, sir.
this information from one table, user underscore triggers. You
Okay.
can go to this table, you can find out what triggers are created.
Okay.
Then, so what are the trigger names? What is the trigger type? What is the triggering event? Okay, then.
Okay.
So you can go to this table, you can find out. Like suppose describe what user underscore triggers.
Yeah.
Then, so you can find out this. So what is the trigger name? Name of the trigger type, trigger type. Trigger type. Type means whether it is before row level or before statement or after statement or after row level. Next, triggering event. Triggering event means, so when the trigger is executed at the time of insert or update or delete. Okay, then. Now, suppose then,
Okay.
for example, I want to see trigger name, trigger name, trigger type, comma, triggering event from user underscore triggers. Okay. And I want to see the triggers created on EMP table. Table name equals to EMP. Then it will show only the triggers created on EMP table. So there is a trigger T1 before statement, insert update delete, triggering event. Trigger name is T4. Trigger type is before each row. Triggering event is update. T2. Trigger name is T2. Before statement. Event is insert update delete. T3 like this. Understood? Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So if you want to drop triggers, drop trigger T1. Trigger T1 is dropped. And if you drop the table, triggers are also dropped.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So if at all you drop the table, the triggers are also dropped. Then that's all.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's all. This is triggers.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the left?
Sir, this NVL is what, sir? NVL means if we use NVL in procedures and all.
No. Yeah, I'm not able to hear.
Oh, yeah. That's okay. Yeah, what is NVL, sir? NVL. Can you hear me, sir?
No, no.
Hello? And messaged in the chat box.
Okay. NVL is a function. Okay, na?
Okay.
Then
Okay.
function used to convert null values.
Oh, okay.
Okay, na? It is a function used to convert null values. 1 second. See, suppose that you see the query. Suppose e-name, salary, commission from EMP.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here salary is there, 800. Commission is null, 1600, 300. Commission, sir, some employees commission is null. COMM means commission. Commission is null. Some employees earning commission, some employees are not earning commission. Their commission is null. But what the problem is, if I want to calculate total salary plus commission as total salary from EMP. I'm calculating the total salary. Salary is 800, commission is null, but total salary is also null.
Oh, it's wrong.
Because null plus something is null. Null minus something
Oh,
is null. Null into something is null. Null by something is null.
none. Oh, okay.
In any calculation, if null is present, result is also null.
Okay. Okay.
In any calculation, if null is present, result is also null.
Okay.
Okay. Then how to overcome this problem? Then you do one thing. Suppose salary, commission, next one, salary plus. If commission is null, convert that value to 0. Then use NVL function to convert commission comma 0. Okay.
Okay.
So if commission is null, then it is converted to 0.
Okay.
Okay. Only nulls are converted to 0, not all commissions. Then
Okay.
from EMP. Now see the difference. Now it's able to calculate total salaries of all.
Correct.
Okay.
Got it.
Then if commission is null, then it is converted to 0. 800 plus 0 is 800, but 800 plus null is null.
Correct. Got it.
Yeah.
Got it, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So we'll continue this tomorrow.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.